We need the wilds. We need to be set up with the wilds early. That's fucking great. That's so great. Oh my god. Guys, it's my cook. Hmm? This might cook. Come on, just fill it right here. We just need the right side. Alright, 3 more spins. Come on, right side, give it to us. Please. Oh my god. I might do us dirty here, bro. It's set up so fucking good. Come on. Alright, we needed that. Wait, this might be big. No, this is my biggest win yet. Oh my fucking god. Bro, that's 17 and we have a spin left. Go crazy, please. Bro, we just got 18 off of that. Bro, I'm